busy day for you. I mean, I think what a lot of people need to understand is that when we get these severe thunderstorm warnings and especially tornado warnings, that's like breaking, developing news in real time for meteorologists and for us, but for you.
We just stay on this tornado warning, so we were just on for 2 hours over central and northern viewing areas for these tornado warnings. Good news is they're down for now.
Yes.
But we've got some more to watch.
Marathon Man, here you go.
Yeah, we'll keep it lucky. Ryan's here, Jess is here, so that's good news. We got everybody. And we've got a pretty good line of severe storms out there. So the tornadic activity was actually along the warm front, which is up this way. The cold front now is driving through the northeast kingdom of Vermont, and this is the next area clearly that we have to watch as these storms approach. And so there was that tornado warned system that's now severe thunderstorm warned. It's going to sail north of Presque Isle into Caribou here with some hail, possibly quite a bit of lightning as well. We're watching any storms that come out of Canada. On the north side of this warm front, they've been spinning up all afternoon into what looks like at least the potential for a tornado. We have not had, as far as I know, any confirmed tornadoes where people saw them on the ground, but we had radar indicated tornadoes. So we're watching all these cells coming out of Canada, in addition to the cells coming along the cold front here. And this one looks pretty good. It's going to cross over in Oxford County. It has hail, definitely quite a bit of hail. You can tell by the reflectivity. Lightning and straight line winds are going to be the main threats there. So this line will continue to progress eastward, and there's plenty of juice in the atmosphere to allow that. Dew points, I'm sure you noticed if you were outside, are in the upper 60s to low 70s. It is very, very juicy out there, and that allows those storms to continue to move eastward. That being said, if you're watching for along the coastline, I think there's almost a zero risk of severe storms. We're really looking at the mountains and the foothills in northern Maine here as this line tries to drive in. It kind of stalls along the mountains overnight tonight, and then by later tonight we should settle down. So Jess and I will keep an eye on those storms over the next couple hours and let you know if they look severe. As we move forward into tomorrow, we're going to have more clouds around tomorrow, some showers in the morning. Middle part of the day will probably be okay and relatively warm into the low 80s. And then we'll see some showers and thunderstorms coming through in the afternoon and evening. Could be a couple of downpours there in the mid-coast and down east Maine. Move that system offshore, and then we're in great shape for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I think those days are, at least in my opinion, close to perfect. They're in the 70s, there's a lot of sunshine, and the dew points are down as well. So that's a really nice stretch of weather. Often when we have severe weather, the other side is kind of sweet, and that's what we're looking at here. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. As far as the weekend, I know it's only Monday, but it's the weekend. We're going to get a good day in on Saturday. I think we can hold the front off on Sunday. If we do, the whole weekend looks good and it gets pretty hot by the second half of the weekend. So I know I had to crunch the actual forecast there a little bit because of the severe weather, but the bottom line is you're going to like it. All right, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you're going to like a lot. Saturday looks pretty mild, and if we hold the front to our west on Sunday and Monday, it'll start baking. Like probably those temperatures are too low if the front stays to our west. We'll probably see some 90s.
Wow.
We're in a great pattern overall, though, I think, where we're getting a couple hot days, then we're easing off it for a few days and kind of going back and forth. So I like it.
Continuing for the foreseeable future?
Yeah, well, as far as my crystal ball goes, 15 days or so,
yeah, exactly.
Looks pretty good. So we'll just watch those storms tonight for you guys, and then otherwise we're in good shape.
And the big thing, if you guys are taking any pictures or videos, we love to get those on the Near Me section of our mobile app, but make sure it's safe to do so before you start venturing out into any dangerous weather. Thanks, Keith.